Hello, welcome back to Street Smart English. Today we're going to be talking about the Palfish Read app. And so we're just going to go along to say how to log into the app, translating the pages, how the books are laid out, how to record, and show how it goes on the moments. So let's get started. So I have my iPad here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go into the Teacher app. And while we're in the Teacher app, we scroll down to where it says Palfish Read. We're going to click on that. It'll take us to the App Store. And for you, it might say download. I already downloaded it. So we're just going to say open. So go ahead and open this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the log in button. And if you see at the top right hand corner in light gray, it says Palfish Teacher Login. So you're actually going to click on that. I'll go ahead and log in. I'll blur out my numbers here. And this is going to be the same login that you use for your Palfish Teacher app. So after all of that, we're going to hit login. And we're in. So we can see here there's a couple of buttons. Again, I'll put it up now. We'll see the translated. So let's go ahead and click on the books. Now you'll see that at the very top there's a bunch of letters, A through Z. Now the letter A is the lowest reading level, while letter Z is the highest reading level. So you may be thinking when you first log in, hey, I tapped on the A and then there's weather. Well, that's a W, that's not an A. But it doesn't go by books, it goes by grade level reading. So A being the lowest, Z being the highest. Sorry to make this video a little longer, but I just wanted to go over a page I found on the app, and I went ahead and translated it. This just helps out with the levels as you go through. So remember the A through Z level. On the top it says LANC. That actually stands for Language and Social Interaction. So it's just a different grading level of where you can read. We see the next one is American Elementary School. If you're familiar with those, you have the Cambridge grading. To make it easy, it says recommended age. So we have there 7 and under, 7 to 9, 8 to 10, and so on. And then it even recommends how many books to read. We see at the earlier levels 2 copies per day, 1 per day. And of course, this is going to be more to help the student, not that you need to be reading these. But hopefully just spending a little bit extra time going over this grading level can help you with what books you choose to read. So depending on what kind of students you want in your class, you can continue to read those kind of books. So if you want a lower grade level, let's click a grade level D. Okay. And there's also in here a VIP. I haven't purchased that yet. I guess you can. It's about $6, I think. And you do get a lot more books, maybe more interesting books. But I went ahead and stayed with the free version. So let's look here. And we're going to read Winter is Here. So if we click on the listen button, it'll just have a reader read it to you.
Winter's here. Let's go sledding.
And it'll read the whole book. But now remember, we want to get recognized, we want to get pointed out. So let's go ahead and hit the record button. And let's read our book. So as soon as you open it up, it'll start reading. But if you want to quit it, you could just press the green button. But we're going to go ahead and press the orange button, record. Winter's here. You'll see the little uploading signal, And then we could go to the next page.
Let's go.
Let's go sledding. And it'll upload. So now I'll fast forward and do the rest of the book. Don't eat the snow. Okay, so we just read the last page. There's 11 pages in this book. So then we're going to scroll over one more time, and we could see it says there, post a book, let the world know your talent. And there's a big orange publish. So we're going to go ahead and hit that button there. And we could see we got shells. So let's go see what those shells do. So if you look at the very bottom, there's a button there that says achievements. So we could go ahead and click that. Now it says open the chest. I'll translate this. I'm not sure what it says, but I can never open it. So you just click out of that. And you could see there's a bunch of different little fish bowls. And the ones that don't have anything in it, you could click them. And like, oh, this one's 150. Let's get them. And let's see. This one's 250. So you get these little fish, and if you go back to the home and you wait a second, you'll see them swim around. That's about all that does. Okay, so now let's go see how it's posted on our moments. So we'll get out of that app and let's go to our teacher app, and we'll click on our moments. And there it is. It's posted at the very top. Winter is here. So hopefully that helps you to get started. Again, I'm trying to learn all this too, so hopefully you'll learn along with me. And I'll post a video in the near future to show some more tips on the reading app. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.